Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload high quality videos on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok application. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on the plus icon and you can record a video. You can select uploads and go into the videos and select any random video from here. Click on next. You can add the different effects sticker as well, and here in the bottom you will find an option that is about in upload in high quality, so you simply need to select that. As you can see, there is no option here because I am in that region where it is not available, but if you find, you simply need to click on that and then you need to click on post. So this is a simple process by which you can upload high quality videos on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.